The Suzuki Hayabusa is going to get a huge update for 2021. Last week, Suzuki disclosed a teaser of the new Hayabusa. At present, more information about the new Hayabusa have leaked just days before its official reveal. Third generation Hayabusa gets a fairly modern body design, but the changes are more evolutionary and retains the overall size and girth of its predecessors. The bike is most likely to be powered by a bigger 1450cc 4-cylinder engine. It's going to be Euro 5 compliant as the model is set to come back in European market. The bike features an updated instrument console, bi-directional quick shifter, traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control and a 6-axis IMU.